Hey Joe, what is this?
This is the exploding stick bot. It explodes. That means that it's very hairy and big. And a long moment of silence.
Wait, what?
Dun dun dun.